In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate multiple interview questions in Google Gemini. By the end, you'll have a clear, repeatable process to quickly create targeted, high-quality questions you can use for interviews or screening. First, open Google Gemini and start a new chat. Beginning with a fresh chat helps the model focus on your current goal. If you've been working on something unrelated, consider clearing the conversation so there's no leftover context that might steer the results. Next, decide the job role and the experience level. Be as specific as you can. Think about the responsibilities this person will actually handle, the tools or domains they'll work with, and how independent they should be. Identify what's truly must-have versus nice-to-have. Also, pick the level clearly, entry-level, mid-level, or senior, because the scope and depth of questions shift significantly with experience. Now write a prompt to generate interview questions. Give Gemini the essentials, the role, level, and what you want the questions to cover. Include technical skills, soft skills, and culture fit. Ask for a mix of behavioral and situational questions and specify how many you want. You might say, generate 12 interview questions for a mid-level data analyst. Include technical topics like SQL and dashboards, soft skills such as stakeholder communication and culture fit. Provide behavioral and situational questions and vary the difficulty. If you're hiring at different levels, state it. Entry-level calls for fundamentals and learning mindset, while senior should probe leadership, systems thinking, and ambiguity. If you need formatting, like numbered questions or categories, mention that too so the output is organized from the start. Then review the questions and remove or edit as needed. Scan for relevance, clarity, and fairness. Eliminate duplicates, combine overlapping prompts, and rephrase anything that's vague or overly theoretical. Check for bias or anything irrelevant to job performance. Tailor questions to your actual stack, workflows, and team values. If something is close but not quite right, ask Gemini to refine it by saying which parts to adjust, expand, or simplify. Finally, use the final list for interviews or screening. Decide which questions fit phone screens versus on-site rounds, and map each question to the competency it tests. Keep consistent follow-ups ready so you can probe depth equally across candidates. Consider a simple scoring rubric so feedback is structured and comparable. That's the complete workflow. Start a clean chat, define the role and level, craft a precise prompt, refine the output, and put the final list to work. Try it today and you'll cut prep time while improving quality and consistency.